vlogs.
Hello vlogs.
Joke. So another province unlocked today. Yay! But still we are in the Isan province. So this is my question. Para malaman mo kung anong province ito. So this is the land of dinosaurs. What is it?
In 400 meters, you will arrive at
It
Kalasin!
starts with K. Daddy?
Kalasin!
Yay! Daddy got the correct answer. Kalasin. So we are in Kalasin. Yeah! And this is our first time to be here in Kalasin. Ito daw ang land of dinosaurs. So let's see kung gaano kadaming dinosaurs and fossils ang makikita natin dito. So we are here in the museum. Quiet now. We have to be speaking in Thai na. May tong speak pa sa Angkit, okay?
And I was mixing them.
Yeah.
Dinosauria.
Dinosauria. We are in the Dinosauria. Yan. So let's see later. Wow! So dito daw yung only part of Thailand na nagkita ng fossils ng dinosaur. Kaya
I thought it was in Konkan.
this is very famous when it comes to dinosaur thing.
I thought it was in Konkan.
No, this is the province. Okay, let's see. Kuha tayo ng parking.
Yeah,
Hang
over there.
off.
Where are you going?
May hang off.
It's the exit.
ยินดีต้อนรับที่กาฬสินธุ์นะคะยินดีต้อนรับที่กาฬสินธุ์นะคะไปกันเถอะปิดจ้ายินดีต้อนรับที่กาฬสินธุ์จ้าสวยมากถ่ายรูปก่อนฟังนะฟัง
วิ่งวิ่งวิ่งวิ่งวิ่ง
Hello.
What's the name of that? We are here in Serindorn Museum.
Tarsier.
Hello. Oh, let's go there. That is Tarsier, baby. Wow.
พูดจริงนะ พูดสิ
Yeah.
So those you can adjust themselves for the environment.
Let's go there.
Wait.
You can speak now. Wow, mommy.
We are in the universe.
You're in the universe. Look. Ate. Look at the solar system. Madilim dito. You can see. Look. Solar system. Tingnan nyo na lang. The Earth Cross. It's a nice museum. Turn. Nothing. Rock.
Pink backpack.
Yes. Igneous rock.
อันนี้จับสลับลำปางมาดูสวยที่สุดไหนนี่ นี่ไงจับสลับบุรี
Metamorphic rock. Ooh.
The smallest rocks are in Sukhothai.
Wow.
Rayon. Magnite. Magnite.
Ooh, this one.
สีม่วงเนาะอันนี้อะไรนี่ไดมอนด์ใช่เล็กๆน้อยยังก่อนจะไป
There's no Francis yet.
นี่จับไปเลยสวยอันนี้สวยด้วยคนสีธรรมดา
Wow.
ไม่มีไฟเลย We are in a volcano.
Oh, lava.
ถึงแม้ว่าสิ่งมีชีวิตรูปแบบไม่ง่ายจะถือกำเนิดขึ้นบนโลกมาตั้งแต่ราว 3,400 ล้านปีที่แล้ว
What is this?
The lava?
ทั่วสิ่งมีชีวิตเหล่านั้น
You can see if I can see mommy's face.
ในบรรยากาศยุคโบราณ
น่าสนใจนะ
Halos mga puwit na nakikita ko.
So good, they're so interested in this.
Yes.
This is the ocean. The details.
Ah.
Are the details before. This is the ocean. Like stuck in this. Realize that? Mixing it everywhere.
Interesado. Yung isa ang bilis. Ayun.
วาลาชนิดแหวกว่าย